In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your emails more effectively using Gmail's features for undoing and scheduling emails. We'll explore everything from setting up your undo send time frame to scheduling emails to reduce the chance of errors. Let's dive right in and get started. First, let's log into your Gmail account. Head over to gmail.com and enter your credentials to access your inbox. Once you're in, the first thing we want to set up is your undo send settings. This feature can be quite the lifesaver if you ever find yourself needing to revoke an email after sending it off into the vast digital space. To adjust these settings, start by clicking on the gear icon located at the top right corner of your Gmail interface. This icon opens up your quick settings panel. From here, select See All Settings to access the full settings menu. Once you're in the settings, make sure you're on the General tab, as this is where we will tweak the undo send feature. Scroll down and look for the undo send section. Now, Gmail offers you the possibility to set the cancellation period up to 60 seconds. So, go ahead and set your send cancellation period to the maximum allowed 60 seconds to give yourself a bit more time to react after hitting send. It's important to note, however, that while 60 seconds is the maximum Gmail natively allows, there isn't a way to recall an email after an hour through Gmail directly. But fear not. There's a practical workaround to give you extra time to review your email before it's sent out. This brings us to scheduling your emails. Once you've composed your email and it's ready for delivery, resist the urge to hit the send button. Instead, look for the small arrow next to the send button and click on Schedule Send. This option will allow you to pick a time for your email to be sent later. You might, for example, choose to send it out an hour from now. This scheduling provides a window during which you can modify or even cancel the email before it's sent, giving you extended flexibility. In case you've sent an email and want to undo it within that cancellation period we've set earlier, keep an eye out for the undo button. This button briefly appears in the bottom left corner of Gmail immediately after you click send. It's your last chance to retract that email, so if you find you've made a mistake or just need to make a change, make sure to hit undo promptly within the set time frame. With these tools at your disposal, managing your Gmail effectively becomes a cinch. By using these features, you can dramatically reduce the potential for mistakes and ensure your emails are always sent exactly when you're ready. Remember, you can always go back into your settings to make adjustments as needed. Keep practicing these tips and you'll become a Gmail pro in no time. Thank you for joining me today, and happy emailing.